What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, the Bitcoin price once again is pushing towards the upside. However, in today's video, I want to talk about two very crucial areas which we need to look out for in Bitcoin. If you are long Bitcoin, if you are short Bitcoin, you need to be paying attention to this, guys, because previously we only saw a confirmation that the bear market was over once we crossed this 50-week moving average. Guys, yes, that is correct. I want to talk about that in today's video. And also we've got this multi-year level of resistance which is in fact coming up, which previously we got rejected from back here on the 11th of May. Now potentially combined with the 50-week moving average, this could be a very, very major critical pivotable point for the Bitcoin price if we are going to get rejected. Guys, I want to talk about that in today's video. I want to talk about my trades. I want to talk about other things going on in the market as well. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, to give back, drop a like and comment down literally anything down below on today's video. And I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack making videos about crypto from the UK, USA, UK, Europe. Please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the charts. First of all, let's start with a little bit of analysis on the 4-hourly chart, because we can see that this explosion is absolutely ridiculous. We are seeing just, yeah, it's unbelievable. This explosion from Trump's announcement right here. I mean, we're up 24% pretty much, around $15,000 for Bitcoin. That is crazy. The previous low was $15,000. The previous bottom in the last cycle was $15,000, and now we've just jumped up $15,000 in the space of a day or so, which is absolutely ridiculous. Of course, as the cycles go on, as the years go on, Bitcoin evolves, and these price jumps, while the percentile is the same, the dollar amount is much different, and that's why you buy an appreciating asset like Bitcoin. So we can see that the price is going up. However, there are a few things that I want to talk about, because we can see this. I posted over on my X account just a few hours ago. Will Bitcoin repeat this history? We can see right here. We need to understand, guys, we are still in a bear market, in my opinion. One pump of 20% does not mean we are back in a bull market. Look at how the 4-year cycle works. Look at what's going on. Yes, it does predict that October will be the low. Maybe it won't be October. Maybe it will be now even. Maybe it'll be November, December. But historically, it hasn't been as of right now. And if we look, we are still in a downtrend, guys. And that's why I posted this over on X. We can see the high right here. Downtrend, high, downtrend, high, downtrend. And again, right now, if we cannot manage to break this high right here of approximately 82,500, we are going to form another lower high. Even though we formed a massive pump right here, we are still going to see a further lower high if we cannot beat that previous pump. And if we take a look on the daily chart right here, if we cannot beat this of around $83,000, we're going to form a lower high. And of course, what does a lower high mean? Exactly like we did right here, down, exactly like we did here, down, exactly like we did here, down, exactly like we may do here, and further towards the downside. Now, guys, you know I am very bullish on Bitcoin long term. I want Bitcoin to go to $1 million. I've been buying and holding Bitcoin for 8 years now, pretty much. I'm a Bitcoin bull at heart. However, I'm also a realist, and I still think that yes, we have a massive, if we take a look at the RSI right here, the RSI is crazy overbought right here. If we take a look back previously, we've not really been this far, this high since pretty much November of 2024. And that's when we had the rally up to all-time highs at $126,000. So we are definitely at a crazy overbought area on the RSI, and that usually, not always, usually leads to some form of a correction. And if we were not to have some form of a correction right here, then honestly, that wouldn't be healthy for Bitcoin. So a correction is well needed, guys, and I do think that we will come. However, it really depends when it comes, which is the important thing. As I told you before, I was entering a short position in yesterday's video. I did, in fact, close it. It got stopped out. It's okay, because I wanted to try and catch the local top, I guess you could say, because that would have been an amazing trade. However, within literally an hour or so after the video, it got stopped out, which is perfectly fine. I set my stop for my risk appetite. And guys, I'm going to be honest, not every trade works out. It's just how it is. If every single trade worked out for every single person, everyone would have millions of dollars, and that's just not how the world works and how trading works specifically. So you do, of course, catch some losers before you catch some winners. It just it's just how it is, unfortunately. So I am going to look to re-enter. I'm going to do it a little bit more creatively though, and I want to kind of get a better entry point potentially. I will be, of course, updating you, but I still have my gold trade open. 7x is a $200,000 trade, about $25,000 in a profit. And also, I was posting in my group the private trades which I was taking, guys. This is a completely free group to join. We can see the last trade, long Bitcoin, nearly 200% right there. Previously right there as well, we posted all of the trade analysis right there. And again, right there, Solana as well was approximately 100%. Everything was posted live in the group before it happened right there. You can see everything was in fact posted in the group. So that is Chart Chasers. The link is down below. Ubit also, I'm going to be posting a lot more about Ubit. I'm going to be opening my next multi-million-dollar trade on Ubit. And Ubit actually has, I believe today or tomorrow is the last day for this. Tomorrow is the last day. You're going to get a 10% deposit bonus on Ubit. There's absolutely no volume requirements for this. So you just deposit, you get the bonus, and you're going to get instant VIP2, which gives you 25% off fees. Usually you have to trade with millions to get VIP2 or 25% off fees. But Ubit, having no KYC, are giving this up to $1,000. So if you deposit $10,000, you'll get $1,000, but you can deposit literally anything and get a 10% bonus. Of course, there is no KYC, so you can use it anywhere in the world. Check it's legal to do so in your country before doing that though. And yeah, Ubit is one of my favorite exchanges right now. I still have my long position open on Coinbase. It's around 90% in a profit right there. This was a smaller trade which I opened. I'm getting back into trading on Coinbase. And of course, you can have different positions open on different exchanges. I wanted to have a more longer term trade open on Coinbase for the full bull market. And again, I want a shorter term short trade open on Ubit right there. So all the links are down below. You can go ahead and claim those bonuses right there. And don't forget to join Chart Chasers as well, guys, because that Signal group is crazy that it's free. Honestly, many people are charging thousands per year for groups like this, and mine is just completely for free. So make the most of it. I want to talk about this also, guys, because this I posted on X recently as well. Hey Grok, based on this chart, what stage of the Bitcoin market cycle are we at right now? And I would love to know your thoughts and comments also. Leave them down below what stage you think we are at. Grok said right here, based on the chart and the current price actions, Bitcoin is in the early recovery phase after a significantly around disbelief. So it thinks we're around this disbelief stage. And honestly, I pretty much agree with it. I think that we are in fact in this kind of disbelief stage, moving into this area right here. And I do think there will be a further low, in my opinion. I strongly do think that the price that we have seen, 58K bottom, it's not going to be the bottom. I do think that we are going to have a further bottom. Of course, I could be wrong completely. Who knows? It's just my opinion. However, I would love to know your opinions, and let's have a discussion down below in the comments as well. But again, this Wall Street cheat sheet of a market cycle is really interesting, and it usually always works. We've had these anxiety, denial, panic. We've had all that anger. We probably had that as well. Depression, sideways movement, and again, disbelief. This is a sucker rally right there, going into a final dump right there. This rally will fail like others, and then we push hope, optimism, and that's what we're going to start seeing towards the end of the year and into next year. Again, on the last 24 hours, almost 2 billion worth of positions liquidated. Pretty equal, actually. A lot of longs liquidated, a lot of shorts liquidated. People are trying to catch either a top for a short, or they're trying to long Bitcoin and try and get a little bit more profit out of their trade. And that's what happens. If we take a look at the liquidation max pain right here as well, we've got around 79,300 for Bitcoin on the 1 month time, and around 62,100 on the long-term max pain for the shorts, for the long, sorry. So we can see right here, pretty much 80K, 62K. If we put that on the chart, 80K and 62K. So right here, we have around 80,000, which would be around about there. That would be the short term, and then 62 would be around about here. So pretty much between this, I mean, it's still exactly literally the worst drawing in the world, but it's still pretty much between these two areas right here that we are trading in, and we've not really broken anything. Yes, we've had a significant pump, but honestly, we have in fact broken this area right here, but we are still well within this range right here. And if we take a look back on the daily chart or even the weekly chart, this is going to be a considerable level for Bitcoin to get past. If we can break this previous levels right here of resistance and support right there, it's going to really take a lot for Bitcoin to get past that. And again, unless we are seeing some kind of not black swan, but some kind of crazy announcement like Trump, that's why we had this pump. It's not because we're in a bull market. It's just simply because we had this announcement from Trump and Brian Armstrong speaking as well. And that gave a lot of hope in the market. And that's why we had that pump. So that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and join Ubit. The link is down below, guys. Don't forget that 10% bonus, which is actually going on. And also right there, join Chart Chasers. Hundreds of people are joining per day. Do not miss out. And I'll catch you in the next one.